Now we will see how to manage the start and stop for the integration server. Integration servers, which are part of integration node, get started when the integration node is started. This is the default behavior, but we can modify this default behavior. Consider scenario 1. Add the .stopped empty file in the integration server work directory. Example, add the .stopped empty file at the below location. Here is the location: program data /IBM /MQSI /components, then integration node /servers, then integration server name. Under this location, we'll add this .stopped empty file. Then when we restart the integration node, integration server will not get started. Now let's check this. I have opened IBM App Connect Enterprise Toolkit. In Integration Explorer, we can see ACE12 node. It contains 3 integration servers: iServer 1, iServer 2 and iServer 3. Now let's check the default behavior. Now I'll stop the integration node. Now integration node stopped. Now I'll start this integration node. When I start this, integration server also gets started along with this. Now you can see integration server also gets started. Now we will change this default behavior. I'll choose any of this integration server. I'll choose iServer 1. I'll go to working directory of this. I'll go to program data, IBM, MQSI. This is MQSI work path. Under that, components, ACE12 node, servers. I choose server 1. Here I'll create one empty file under integration server work directory, that is stopped. Create one file. I'll name this file as .stopped. Save this. It is just a empty file. Here it got created. Now I will restart the integration node. In this case, integration server will not get started, particularly iServer 1. Other integration server will start it because we haven't added the .stopped file in the other server's work directory. I'll go back. Now I'll stop and start this integration node. Now integration node stopped. Now I'll start the integration node. Only integration node will start. iServer 1 integration server will not start. Now you can see here ACE12 node got started, but iServer 1 is not started. iServer 2, iServer 3 got started. This is because we added .stopped empty file in the integration server work directory. Now let's check the scenario 2. When we stop the integration server, .stopped empty file is added to the integration server's work directory. Here is the example. .stopped empty file get added to the below location: C/program data /IBM /MQSI /components /integration node name /servers, then the integration server. Here iServer 2 is the integration server. When we restart the integration node, integration server will not get started. Now let's check this. In this scenario, I will choose iServer 2. It's under AS12 node. First, we will go through the work directory. I'll open the work directory now. C, program data, IBM, MQSI, components, AS12 node, then servers, iServer 2. I'll open this. Currently, here we can see overrides, run, log. These are the files, but there is no .stopped file is here. Now let's stop the integration server iServer 2, then .stopped empty file get created at this location. Now I'll go to toolkit and stopping this integration server, stop. Now I'll come to this working directory. Here you can see .stopped file got created. Now this server is stopped and this file got created here. Now when we restart this integration node, this will not get started again along with this. Let's check this. I'll stop. Now I'll start it again. Now you can see here iServer 2 is not started. We have changed the default behavior. In this lecture, we have seen how to manage the start and stop for the integration server, which is managed by integration node.